Hello people, welcome back to Tech Titan channel, where gaming is my passion. Now, today, I've been doing I did my first video on how to do that, so I figured I'd start with gameplay. So today, I'm going to teach y'all how to build a drag car in Offroad Outlaws. So let's do it. So, I'm going to use the first car, the Cuda. To build the drag car. I already did, but I'm going to reset him. Right there is my Cuda. You're going to customize it like a regular muscle car. Show you how to make a real muscle car. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do. I hit dealership. Excuse me. First thing you're going to want to do, if you've already customized a car like this, is you're going to want to make it all original. So you're going to go to customize and stock set. See? There you go. Okay, well, so after you do this is the tricky part. You gotta get all that leveling right on the drag car. Damn, the drag car. That fat tires. But you really don't want a drag car. So this is gonna be sort of a street car. What you wanna do is my personal opinion, I guess I'd leave these on here, because they're just slicker. They're just more slick. The wrap's the most important, so I'd go to paint first. Oh, no, let's do this in order. Body. Front bumper, no. Rear bumper, no. Running board, no. Roof light, no. Frame, no. Cage, no. Fenders, no. Hood, no. Spoiler, you can add a spoiler on here, because that can be part of the original car. I'd add that one, that looks pretty cool. Not that one. I don't know, that looks pretty cool. No. That's what I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna go to paint, get this ugly color off this car. I don't know. I'm gonna do a little trick. I don't know what color I should use though. See, I have a red on my channel, so I'm gonna do a red. But red with a twist. Red with a dark twist. Uh-huh. A rich dark red right here. Yeah, this is how I like it. Yeah, that's how that car is gonna be. Now we're gonna go to the wraps. that looks pretty sick, but no. Oh, that's even better, but no. 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 Yeah, that looks pretty badass. Sorry for the language. That looks pretty badass, doesn't it? I'll do that. Now we gotta go to the suspension. This is the tricky part, because suspension is key. I mean, you can just go stock set, but I like using a trophy type and an independent suspension. But then again, you probably need to go back to original. Like I said, probably need to go back to original. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back to the original stock set. We're gonna go to the solid axle type. Oh crap! Forgot to install it. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to tune it to where the car gets that awesome vibe. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Alright, so what you want to do for the rear, probably just want to bring it up a tad. Up a little tad. In the front. Probably also going to want to bring it up a tad. You know, so I should probably bring it down a tad. There you go. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect right there. Now, you're going to want to adjust the wheels and tires size. So the wheel radius. That tires probably need to be about right there. Now the rear, a different story. The rear probably going to want up to there. You want to maximize that awesome car power right there. Yes, it'll look like this. But do you not see this mean beast? Mean beast. Oh, I forgot. On the rear, you need to get the width. You need to expand the width where it's like some fat tires. There you go. Oh, and there's one more thing you need to do. I'm sorry. One thing you need to do in if you want to make the perfect drag car for the Cuda build, the one thing you need to do is go to customize, go to body, fenders. You gotta do it like that, right there. Now you get the perfect drag car set up. Okay, and I'll dip in this a little bit more. I'll see y'all later. Just kidding. I'm gonna do this real quick before I leave. Really legit. Mods. I got like a minute left. Continue this real quick. Hope I don't get cut off. Rear. Travel. See that right there? 5,000. Okay, that's all I need right there. So front, 5,000. Travel needs to go down a lot more. Okay, so that's all. We have the car finished. And let's see. You're going to want to buy a perfect dyno tune-up if you want the car to maximize its power. Other than that right there is a drag car. So, yeah. I hope you like this video. I'm going to be testing it out in the next one. And the next one, I'm going to be doing my El Camino drag car build. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Peace.